See here, in 2019, in error analysis, one question is given. So basically in this chapter, generally the question will be asked in error analysis based on power, raised to the power r, तो उसके ऊपर ही देता है, a physical quantity raised to the power. So उसके लिए फॉर्मूला है पेज 27 में दिया है, एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक पेज 27 में दिया है. लेट अस चेक इट. फॉर्मूला क्या है? सपोज z इज इक्वल टू a to the power of p, b to the power of q by c to the power of r. Then delta z by z is equal to p times of delta a by a plus q times of delta b by b plus r times of delta c by c. This is the formula given in page 27 of NCERT textbook. तो इसके अनुसार ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते. So in an experiment, the percentage of error occurred in the measurement of physical quantities A, B, C and D are 1%, 2%, 3% and 4% respectively. Then the maximum percentage of error in the measurement x, where x is equal to a square. So x is given to us, x is equal to a square b to the power of half divided by c to the power of 1 by 3 d to the power of 3. This is given to us. So delta x by x, see here, if both sides you can multiply with 100, then you will get percentage. Okay, so 100 means you will get percentage. Now here I am multiplying with 100, so this is equal to 2 into delta a by a into 100 plus half into delta b by b into 100 plus 1/3 delta c by c into 100 plus 3 into delta d by d into 100. See here, the percentage error is given. So in this is 1%, the value of this is 1, the value of this is 2, the value of this is 3, the value of this is equal to 4. So just substitute the values and you will get the answer. See here, so let us check. The value is this percentage, this value is equal to, so 2 into 1 plus half into 2 plus 1 by 3 into 3 plus 3 into 4. That's all. This is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 12. That is equal to 16%. This is, see here, NTA, it is giving most of the questions from NCERT based only. So please concentrate on NCERT textbook. So आप लोग ये समझ लीजिएगा, most of the questions NCERT textbook का relevant से ही, relation से ही दे रहा है. तो अगर हम NCERT thoroughly करेंगे तो you can get very good marks. आपका सक्सेस होने का बहुत अच्छे चांसेस है, एंड इवन यू कैन गेट 120, मोर देन 120 इन फिजिक्स इटसेल्फ. ओके, थैंक यू.